Clearing your search history on Netflix can help you maintain privacy and improve your viewing experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into your Netflix account. Open your web browser and go to the Netflix website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Profile and Parental Controls. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Here, you will see a list of all profiles associated with your account. Step 4. Select your profile. Choose the profile for which you want to clear the search history. Click on the arrow next to the profile name to expand the options. Step 5. Clear viewing activity. Look for the viewing activity option and click on it. Here, you can view your entire watch history. To remove specific items, click the X next to each title, or select Hide All to clear everything. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Netflix. Enjoy a more personalized viewing experience.